I'm pretty good at playing with blocks, Ace. Kirby. Hey, Kirby. Kirby wants to play with blocks too. Wow. Look how high you're getting it. Wow. Hi, Kirby. Oh, it fell down. And she just keeps building. Yeah, that's so much fun, isn't it? Yeah, the doggy's over there too. Yeah, are you having fun? You building a princess castle? Were you hiding one under your dress? You're so funny. You like the purple ones, huh? Yeah, you got a purple block. It sure was nice of Uncle Joe to get you some blocks, huh? He'll be happy that you love them. Okay, Mama's gonna shut the camera off. Say thanks, Uncle Joe, for the blocks. Can you say thanks, Uncle Joe? Yeah, he's not here. Tell the camera. Tell the camera thank you. No, you're busy with blocks. Okay.